like your videos that you've been texting me like every day. I go and watch them and I'm like, ooh, I didn't know that. Like,
Yeah.
okay, let me start doing that. And it's crazy. How do you go from 191 on the first video to 185.6 based off of your videos and no meal plan yet?
Yeah.
That's amazing. That speaks volume to what you're doing in your videos. Like they're really making an impact. That's why my husband, I was like, honey, I got on the scale and I'm already at 185. He was like, wow.
That's so
Like the diagram on my scale keeps going down, 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 down. I'm like, woo, yeah.
Before we actually get started, have you gotten a chance to go through some of the content that was text over?
Yes, I have. I've been watching the videos.
Excellent. What would you say that you have picked up on that you find beneficial?
So the I think it was the 5 different groups of food, and then like in the video how you kept like your basic 3 in each and every one of the categories. And then I didn't know that 3,500 calories is equivalent to 1 pound.
Yeah.
And then in your videos, you talked about how just sticking to the basics. So I've just been every single morning having a protein shake and then having the same food for lunch and then having something different for dinner. So just building the basic concepts, and like it's been working so far. Like the last time we had a call, I was 191. I got on the scale this morning and I'm 185.6.
Wow.
So like sticking that, like I've been watching your videos and implementing the things that you're saying. I haven't worked out at all this week, so I need to do better about that. And my water, I need to up my water, but just sticking to the in the videos, like I pick up a little of everything and I start implementing it, and it's working.
That's so awesome.
Like I'm gonna meet my goal, I feel like, because I only need another 15 pounds to be approved by March 21st. And then I've been getting on the scale like every single day. I haven't put my weight in there yet because I need to take the pictures and I need to do better about that. But I should have, because I feel like you could have used me as one of your stories, because I've just been using your videos only and don't have my meal plan. And it's been so effective. I made the plain coconut yogurt and added a little protein powder in it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. Because yogurt is like my weakness, and like granola and nuts. And then like in your video, you talked about like, I forgot what they're called for the nuts, but like I've been having chia seeds in my protein shake every morning, like a little. If I don't have the protein shake, then I put it in my yogurt. Like the videos are just amazing, and it's really, really been helping me a lot.
I'm so happy to hear that. I'm glad I got this hat on because it got this little shade. You about to make me cry.
Oh no! Like I was thinking to myself, I'm like, Tiffany, you should have uploaded the first picture, but I didn't take one when I was 191. Because I saw on your TikTok or Instagram page where you had a picture of a woman from here down. And I was like, I should have took it when I was 191. So in March, like we could have really compared. But I do have my scale things. Like I bought one of the scales that you suggested. I do have that, and I can send those to you if you want to use them as like a testimony for like your stuff, because it's working. It's amazing. Like I'm learning so much in like 1 week.
I'm really happy to hear that. That is excellent. You know what's so interesting about what you're saying?
Yes.
I'd rather you take the approach that you've taken, which is getting straight into taking action on the information that you're hearing and implementing it, than focus so much on the pictures and stuff, because obviously the pictures are amazing and they help over time, especially if things get challenging. It helps you to see where you started at and then the progress you've made. But what you're doing right now, you're literally the ideal client, which is watch a video implement what you learn. Watch a video, implement what you learn. That's what it's all about. Because if you can keep doing that, and not just with video, obviously when we're talking and having a conversation as well. But as long as you implement the information, you're gonna get the results.
Like based on your videos, I've just been eyeing, and like it's been working. So now that I'll have my plan, I'll weigh and then see how much I really start losing, because there's just like certain things I haven't been eating because I'm just like not sure about. But like the basics of what, like your videos that you've been texting me like every day, I go and watch them and I'm like, ooh, I didn't know that. Like, okay, let me start doing that. And it's crazy. How do you go from 191 on the first video to 185.6 based off of your videos and no meal plan yet?
Yeah.
That's amazing. That speaks volume to what you're doing in your videos. Like they're really making an impact.
I really appreciate that. That feedback is really helpful. That makes me want to shoot like 10 of them today.
Yeah, I've been watching them. I'm like, oh, okay, like let me take some notes here. Let me like implement this, because I was telling my husband, I was like, honey, I got on the scale and I'm already at 185. He was like, wow. Like the diagram on my scale keeps going down, 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 down. I'm like, woo, yeah.
That's so funny.
It's okay, don't cry, don't cry.